Kia here from Kia Creates, bringing you journal inspiration, stickers and playful creativity, and bracelet mania continues for a little bit longer here on this channel because I made 120 bracelets for the Eras tour. I had so much fun trading them and I came back with 60 bracelets because I gave some away. If you want to have a little nosy at all of the bracelets I got, then you can check out my bracelet haul video which has recently been posted. But today I'm going to talk about displaying the bracelets. So originally I just wanted to put all of the bracelets I got inside the memory box that I was making. I have another video on that as well. I've been doing lots of Taylor Swift crafts recently. It's really been the only way for me to get over the post-Eras tour blues. But anyway, so as you can see, putting this many bracelets into the memory box was just crazy. It takes up way too much room. So I decided to put a few in the box, and with the others I made a bracelet garland. And this just started out as an idea, an experiment, but I think it turned out really cute, so I'm pleased with it. I basically just selected bracelets and tied them together with the clear plastic stretchy string, you know, the one that a lot of us have been using for bracelet making. So I'd cut a piece of that clear string for every 2 bracelets I tied together. I'd tie a few knots at the front and a few knots at the back, pull it tight because you know how that string can come undone sometimes, and I just kept going. It was kind of like making paper chains but with bracelets, and I think it turned out really nice. So here are all the bracelets. When they're actually hung up as a garland, they're not as like round, they kind of stretch, but I think that you could also make a bracelet garland like this with those little like metal rings that some people use for jewellery making. I think that would be a fun way, or even tying them together with ribbon. There are probably lots of other ways that you can make the bracelets into a garland, and I kept thinking of different ones like the ribbon and stuff after I'd already made this, but I didn't really want to take it apart to try something else because this was just casual. It was a fun experiment. I wanted to display these other bracelets, and I was just tying these together while I was watching the live stream of one of the Eras tour shows. So it was like a fun little process to do, and it's nice to think of how many people have contributed to this garland. Like, I would love it if someone watching this video actually created one of these bracelets. Like, how amazing would that be? Every time I look at it, I just think of all of those beads and how they've been threaded by hand by loads of different Swifties, and it just warms my heart. Once I had tied all of those bracelets together into this chain, we decided to hang it in my studio as a pretty garland, just add some colour to this wall that doesn't really have anything going on at the top. And I just think it's sweet. It would be nice if it was like the length of the room, but I did not trade for that many bracelets, unfortunately. And every time I look at it, it just reminds me of how much fun I had trading at the Eras tour, and it kind of gives each bracelet its little time to shine rather than it being stuck inside the box with lots of others. It's not perfect by any means, but I just love how it displays the handmadeness of these little bracelet creations, because that's what makes them special. It's just a reminder that each one is made by an individual, and we got together as a community to like celebrate our common interest, and I love that. I hope you've liked this quick little video showing you my bracelet garland idea. I know a lot of us are looking for ways to display our bracelets, so please let me know if you try out something like this. I'd love to see how you put your own spin on it. I hope you have fun making one, and if you're not making a garland or a memory box, let me know in the comments what you're doing with your bracelets, because I think it's so fun to find out what people are doing with them. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!